Is light a particle or a wave? Scientists have been fighting about this for centuries. One of these experiments proved that it's a particle, while another one proved that it's a wave, and it goes on and on and on. So one of them is the double-slit experiment. This double-slit experiment was done by someone who believed light was a particle. What he expects, by the way, slits are holes. And what the experimenters thought was that if light was a particle, it will make two lines. But it was totally different. According to how much the slits are apart, the color and the wideness of the lines and the number of the lines changed. And these numbers of the lines were all more than 2. And this was impossible if light was a particle. So if light was a wave, if waves come together, they call it the 간선무늬. When they collide with each other, ones that are opposite delete themselves, while ones that are the same get doubled. So that is how it caused multiple lines. Another one shows that it's a particle. This is when you shoot light at a metal that is vibrating more than a certain amount of vibration, the electrons of the metal will come out. And that is only possible when light is a particle, because if light is a wave, this wouldn't happen. Another experiment that proves it's a particle is when you shoot X-ray at graphite. When this happens, graphite goes the way the light went, and the light reflects. This can also only happen when light is a particle, because it acts like a 당구공. So when it hits it, this goes this way, and this reflects. And finally, scientists said, okay, light is both particle and a wave. And also, an interesting thing is that if you put whatever particle at the degrees of 200 or more below 0, it'll turn into a wave. Sounds impossible, right? There's something sounding more impossible. If you do the double-slit experiment with electrons, electron A can be at place A and place B. More sounding impossible. Another thing sounding impossible, this is the last one, is that what was it? Okay. If you know where A is right now, it is impossible to know where A will be 5 minutes later. And if you know where A will be 5 minutes later, it is impossible to know where A was 5 minutes ago.
그래서 파동이야, 입자야.
So, what do you think? Because scientists said, okay.
Scientist, you.
Light is both. Because, light is both. Because many experiments prove light is a wave. Many experiments prove light is a particle too. So, seems like it's both.
Disagree.
Okay, what is it then? Is it a particle or a wave?
Wave.
Wave?
Yeah.
Then how does this happen? X-ray. Beep. that happen? If light is a
Light
wave.
is a wave.
If light is a wave, how does 흑체 복사 실험 work?
Oh my goodness. Light is a particle.
If light is a particle, how does the double slit experiment work?
Oh my.
So it turns out it's both. And I admit it sounds impossible. Bye.